In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to extend a song using Suno AI. If you've ever found yourself wanting to prolong the enjoyment of a favorite track or create an extended version for a special project, you're in the right place. We'll break down the process into clear, easy-to-follow steps, so by the end of this tutorial, you'll be fully equipped to extend your songs with confidence. To get started, the first thing you'll need to do is log into your Suno AI account. If you don't have one already, go ahead and create it. Once you're logged in, you'll be warmly greeted by your home page, which showcases a selection of your current projects. From here, you have a couple of options. You can directly select a song that's visible on your homepage. If the song you want isn't immediately visible, don't worry. Simply navigate to your library section. Once in the library, scan through your collection to find the specific song you want to extend. It might take a bit of browsing if your collection is extensive, but it's all part of customizing your music experience. Now, when you've located your desired track, look for the three-dot icon typically located next to the song title. This icon opens up additional options for the track. Clicking on it will reveal a drop-down menu. From this menu, select the Remix Edit option. This is where the magic happens. With the Remix Edit page open, find and click on the Extend button. This step is crucial as it marks the point where you'll start to lengthen your song. Here, you have the ability to add new content to your track. This can be in the form of covers, additional vocals, or instruments, giving you creative freedom to shape your extended version as you see fit. After clicking Extend, you'll want to add some new layers to your song. Start by clicking on Add Vocals to introduce new vocal elements to your track. Follow this by clicking Add Instrumental for additional musical depth and richness. Now, if you're feeling adventurous, you can choose to use styles and lyrics, which will allow you to incorporate thematic elements into your song. Finally, when all these elements are ready and you're satisfied with your choices, click on the Create button. This will initiate the process of extending your track with the newly added components. So there you have it. From logging in to creating an extended masterpiece, Suno AI makes it intuitive and fun. Whether you're doing it for fun or as part of a larger creative project, these steps will ensure that you effectively extend your favorite tracks. Thank you for watching, and happy music creation.